Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing a set of Fender Flare protections for the Duster. They were sent to me by the guys from dacianmag.ro. Are compatible with all the Duster 3 models, no matter the production year, engine option, and it's dedicated for the 4x4 models. Keep in mind that the front bumper is different for the 4x2 models, but on the side there is also a model that is designed for those Duster models as well. So the installation is fairly simple. On the front side you have to use some rivets. You have to cut down or take off the front mud flaps that are located on the lower part of the front bumper on each side in the front of the front wheels. This was perfect to me because I already wanted to cut them off. You have to cut down the two original rivets, and the Fender Flare protection comes on top of the existing one that is made out of a Starkel material. Dacia claims that this Starkel material is scratch resistant or has a better scratch resistant level than a normal plastic trim, but after the experience with my 2024 Dacia Duster, I've noticed that it will scratch eventually, and once it scratches, there is nothing you can do about it. Those scratches will remain visible. You can't polish or something like that, which means that these Fender Flare protections are a must if you go off-roading, and they also have another important usage, as you will see later in this video. In order to install it, you have to take each wheel off. Overall, the installation is simple, so let's do it. There is one thing you should know. In the back, in theory, you could install the Fender Flare protection without taking the wheel down. You have 1, 2, 3 screws that will hold it in place. Using a screwdriver, a small one, you will be able to get it off, but it's easier with the wheel off. This is how the rear shock absorber looks like. We have some decent space between the brake disc and the shock absorber, some cables over here. This is the coil spring. I'm curious to see what lifting solutions are for this model. And yeah, overall, this side over here doesn't need any screws. It only glues with a dual-sided tape on these areas. The hardest part is by far this area right here. As you can see, it is already dirty. I managed to install it. Here I had to cut a bit because this area right here came a bit too in the back. In any case, I've used this front sensor for the orientation, and overall I think these Fender Flare protections are looking very nice, and it will look even nicer when I will take the wheel off by 2.5 centimeters. This means that the wheel will come somewhere in this area, yeah, and it will be protected. It will look, and it will make the car look very sleek. You have these plastic sheets on top of each and every Fender Flare protection. You have the link in the video description if you want to buy it, yeah, and I know for sure that they will protect the car in my future adventures, and I'm curious to see if there is no solution for this area, because if there is one, I will use it to cover all this area, maybe even the lower area as well. Of course, the next step is to install a mud guard over here. We already have the screws. These two are going to be used for the back area, and since I installed these, I also removed the rubber accessories, these rubber sheets in front of the car. As you know, on my other Duster I did that, and it was a good idea. Let's finish up with this section, and I will show you how the car looks like with all these Fender Flare protections installed. What's your opinion? I know you want to see it with the wheel spacers and see how it looks when I take the wheels 2.5 centimeters outside. So the installation of these Fender Flare protections is complete. This is how the car looks like from its side. Very nice. I know some of you will say that it doesn't look that nice because the wheels are not too much in the outside. Yeah, maybe from this position it looks like this. The rear wheel should be a bit in the exterior, the right wheel as well, the front wheel as well. But I'm planning to do it. I'm not sure if I mentioned this. I plan on doing it. Yeah, and it will look very sleek with these 225 wide tires and 2.5 centimeters wheel spacers. Overall, this is very nice. Something similar with the Duster 2 or Duster second generation Fender Flare protections. They were glued to the body using dual-sided tape. It held on very well in my 6 years of use. These ones will be the same. In this area hasn't been fixed properly. I don't know, maybe I was too tired or something like that. I think it will be okay. I put some sealant over here, so I don't think it will be a problem. And overall, I think the car looks good, and you will see how nice it will look when I'm going to install the mud flaps here and there, and also the wheel spacer. So we managed to test out the Duster with these Fender Flares, and this is how much mud they gather on a simple off-road drive. More or less simple. If I didn't have these protections, well, all this side over here, the front side as well, had been full with mud, but in this case all the mud is under these plastics. So yeah, I'm very happy that I've installed them because they will make a great difference, big difference when it comes to protecting the sides of the car from mud or even rocks. Furthermore, with the mud flaps that I will install this week, the protection will be almost complete. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to buy this set of Fender Flare protections, you have the link in the video description. You can buy them from dacianmag.ro. They ship in Europe. And if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.